What is good with the YouTube? It is your boy, Sean Rock to the aka Lil Nicky V6, represent Mandatory Thrive HGBM because every day it is mandatory for us to thrive, and I'm back again with another video. Before I start this video, I want to ask y'all to head over to Amazon.com, purchase my first published book, give nothing less than 300 from the basement, Mind, Body, and Soul. Great book, great read. Link will be in the description. Anyways, in this video, I want to talk about this book that I'm reading, man. This book is fire. It's called Pocket Your Dollars. 5 attitudes that will help you pay debt, avoid financial stress, and keep more of the money that you make. This book, I've read a couple books on finances, and I've been on this journey to really, getting my bag together, getting my bread together. But this book for sure is one of the most powerful books that I've read. I'm not completely finished with it, but I just wanted to, put it on my channel and tell people to check it out because the book really talks about the mental and emotional aspects of just spending, like why we spend, what we're looking for with spending, and it really kind of tackles this idea about the dollar amount in terms of like saving money when you don't make a lot of money, what keeps people in poverty, what keeps people in debt. It really tackles these ideas and these perceptions in your head, and I can relate to it because last year I was working a job that I was making a lot less than what I'm making now. And I was able to save, and I was able to save at that particular time really due to my attitude, right? And then when I started to backslide, and started messing up my savings and different things like that, it was due to my attitude, not necessarily the dollar amount. Of course, making more, having more is going to make these things easier, but technically it kind of doesn't to a certain degree, because usually when the dollar amount increases, right, you just up to that dollar amount. So the attitude change, I believe, is a more necessary evil to get to the next level, and that's really what this book has just been like teaching me about the attitude around money, right? Like the one of the things it talks about in the book is the I deserve a treat attitude, and that was like a big thing that I did like last year. That was like one of the biggest ideas I had in my head. Like, hey man, I paid my lot rent this month. I paid my phone bill. I paid my child support, right? I worked an 8-hour shift. I came home and did some YouTube videos. Like, I deserve a snack. I deserve a meal. I deserve X, Y, and Z. I deserve to go buy this. I deserve. It was this entitlement attitude. And then when I look back, those small purchases definitely added up, but that attitude only grew, right? Because if there's mold right here, it's going to spread. So the more I saluted that attitude to myself, the worse it got. It's kind of like this idea of when you trying to stop something, you keep saying one last time, just one last time, just one last time. The same thing with that attitude. The more I saluted it, it was like boom, boom, all right, I'm gonna have Chinese food today. You know what I'm saying? And I'm only gonna do it this one time. And then next thing you know, I'm having Chinese food 3-4 days a week, right? That's $50-$60 right there. You know what I'm saying? That's a car note almost. That's like a low tier car note. 60 plus 60, right? That's 120, and then another 120, 4 weeks, $60 per week. That's a low tier car note that I'm spending on just a luxury, just a treat, right? And then if you add up all of those different things, the bread be dwindling, and it be gone and you don't even know it. So this book has kind of like really convicted me on, you know, my spending habits. And then it talks about just how, you know, we spend for emotional fixes, you know, for stress relievers, right? For celebratory reasons, in the form of instant gratification, not celebratory reasons, and long-term thinking. It's really hitting. It's really hitting the kid. It's really been, you know what I'm saying, me. So, yo, check out this book, man. Pocket your dollars, 5 attitudes that will help you pay your debt, avoid financial stress, and keep more of what you make. Hope this video helps, man. Remember, dream big, work hard, live great, don't stop. It's your boy Sean Rock to the AKA Lil Nicky. Salute.